If you want to lose weight fast now that summer has quickly arrived, it can be easy to get caught up with a fad diet or other quick fixes that promise a flat stomach in days. Next is a potent banana drink for an extreme fat burn to help you in melting the fat away when combined with a low-calorie diet. This detox drink can help you lose up to 10 pounds in just 1 week. Just be on board of this journey. This drink is well known as the belly fat killer. Therefore, this delicious weight loss drink will help you shed excess fat from around the belly area in no time. The banana drink contains only 5 components, which all of us have in our kitchens, and it takes only 5 minutes to make. Bananas are rich in magnesium, potassium, and fiber, all of which are essential when it comes to losing weight. You will need 1 banana, 1 apple cubed, 1 orange cubed, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. How to prepare: blend all of the ingredients above into an outstanding smoothie without lumps. Add in a few cubes of ice, optional, and drink it in the morning. Make sure to skip breakfast and throughout the day. Conclusion: now you know about this potent banana drink for rapid and extreme weight loss. Would you like to try it? Note: if you are allergic to any of these components in this recipe, please ask your doctor before start using it. If you like our recipe, please add it into your daily routine for as long as you want.